everyone, in this video I'll be introducing you to the BioTime API and its functionalities. First, let's understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it serves as a bridge that allows different software applications to communicate and exchange data with each other. Now let's explore the BioTime API and its capabilities. So to access the list of BioTime APIs, open the BioTime software, log in to the BioTime software with admin credentials. Click on the API option in the top right drop-down list. API documentation will get opened after clicking on it. The list of available BioTime APIs will be displayed once you have clicked on Get Started. Now I'll show how to generate token. On the API documentation page, you will find a list of APIs on the left side. Click on the Get JWT Auth Token option. Within the auth section, you can access the API method, URL, headers and body data. Utilize the provided details to generate the authentication token. Next, I will demonstrate the process of generating a token using Postman. I'm using my personal Postman for demonstrating how to generate a JWT token using the API tool. So for that, we need to first select the HTTP request method. As per the document here, we'll use the post method for generating the token. Start by passing a URL. First, provide the server address. Followed by the URL mentioned in the document. In the header section, set the content type as application JSON. Following the instructions in the document. In the body, include the username and password for the software. Copy the body from the API documentation and use the same JSON format to provide the data. Use your server username and password. In my case, I'm using my server username as admin and my password is admin@123. Click the send button and wait for the response. The token will be generated in the response body with a 200 HTTP status code. Next, I'll guide you on how to add an area using the API. Click on the area option located within the personal section. Refer to the API documentation for the required details such as HTTP method, URL, headers and body. To add an area using Postman, use the post method according to the documentation. Provide the server address. Followed by the URL mentioned in the document when passing the URL. Include the following two parameters in the headers: content type with the value of application JSON, an authorization with the value of JWT space token generated in the previous step. Copy the request body from the API documentation without changing the notation. Specify the area name and area code based on your requirements. Click the send button. Click the send button and wait for the response. The response body will display a success message with HTTP 201 response if the area is successfully created. You can now verify the result on the BioTime user interface. To do so, access the BioTime personal module and navigate to the area section. Double check that the area has been successfully created using the API. Thank you everyone. This is the process for accessing and testing with the Postman tool. Likewise, for testing the remaining API URLs, you can follow the instructions outlined in the document.